Hello everyone, thank you all for tuning in today to my channel. Today we're making a healthy drink, healthy citrus carrot juice. And I'm gonna use this opportunity to shout out a channel. Her name is Queen Varieties channel. She's a wonderful lady. She cooks. She's a beautiful content creator. If you don't know her, check her out. So here I have my lemon, ginger, I have carrot, and I have my frozen pineapple. So as we go along, I'm going to just introduce and tell you a little bit about each ingredient that we're using for this drink. Is actually a weight loss drink. Here I have my carrots. Carrots are very good. They are source of beta carotene, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. They have a lot of health benefits. And it also lowers cholesterol level and improve the eye health. It's good for your hair, for your skin, and for your eyes. So next is ginger. Ginger relieves nausea, ease cold or flu, relieves pain, supports cardiovascular health, lowers risk of cancer. Also, lemon is a good source of vitamin C. It helps in weight loss, boosts your immune system. Right now, I'm putting everything, including the frozen pineapple. Also, pineapple helps in a lot of ways, especially if you're indulging in some weight loss activities. Eating a moderate amount of this beneficial fruit can actually help you shed those extra kilos faster. Pineapple is a very good source of fiber. Pineapple is also good for your guts. It's good for your stomach health. It helps in digestion. It's very rich in fiber and therefore it aids digestion. So as you can see, we have all the weight loss foods all packed and jammed up in one. Blending it to enjoy it. So I'm going to be blending this. It's a very good drink for you for weight loss and at the same time for a glowing skin. This is a good drink for you. And it also helps you to boost your immune system. So now our drink is ready. It's time to enjoy it. So refreshing and so healthy. Thank you all for watching. If you have reached this extent, I appreciate you. Thank you all for coming. For all my subscribers, thank you for subscribing, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a happy, healthy, and prosperous new year. God bless you. Bye for now.